Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Budgets and Blogs, which I will link down below so you can go shopping if you'd like. Also, we do have a freebie, which I will link as well. For the month of December, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are running each other's videos on a follow train and just showing support for our YouTube channels and helping each other grow and get watch hours and monetized and all of those things. So today I wanted to go ahead and stuff my savings challenges into my Christmas binder because for those of you who have been following along, I still need funds. I need money for my kiddos, for their gift, as well as I need money for my PTO for my third week. But we're going to work on one thing at a time, which I really want to focus on getting this other MetaQuest for my kiddos. That's where I'm at, and then I will figure out the rest. Okay, let's jump right in. So earlier this month, you did see that I removed some cash from these envelopes in order to make sure that I was able to get the first MetaQuest, and now we have to get the second one. So these are the savings challenges. I won't go over them, but I completed these savings challenges, and I'm going to put them into my completed savings challenge envelope. That way I can keep track of those. But all we're going to do today is add in $20, $40, $60, $80, $81, $82, $83, which is fantastic because for my kiddos, I thought I did. Okay. I was like, I thought I grabbed the information here. So I needed $210 for my kiddos for the second MetaQuest. So we want to go ahead and put this $83 into this envelope here because we want to stack it up. It was fully funded, it's not anymore. Let's see. So we already had 20 in there, which I did not take the 130 from here. I thought I went through and did all that, but I didn't. But we are adding, did I say 83? 81, 2, 3, yes. So we're going to add 83, and that gives us 103. Yes. Okay, so now let's put this money back in here. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 1, 2, 3. So we have 103 in our, did I do that right? I think I did. Okay. Just because there is now 20, 40, 60, 81, 1, 2, 3. So 103 in this envelope, and then we have the 50 for the special gift, which I think we should just go ahead and move over because I'm confusing myself by keeping this money separate, and we're just gonna, let's pull this 50 bucks from here. So minus 50. So there's 0 in this envelope now, and so I didn't think this through, but I need to make sure that I'm not confusing myself and I know exactly how much. And we're going to add 50 here. Okay. So let's write in there, add 50. So we should have 153. The total was $280 originally. Okay, that's where I'm messing myself up. So 280 minus 153 equals 127. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. Okay. Okay. So currently we have 153 in total. Okay. I was hoping I wasn't going to cause this much drama. Let's see. So we needed 210. We added the $80. Okay. Let's start from scratch. We originally needed 280. We have 153. So now we need currently $127 to purchase the other MetaQuest. Boom. Okay. Now that we got that squared away. Oh boy. Okay, but at least we have everything in one envelope and we know what we're focused on, and now I can get my thoughts together. Okay, so we do need $127, but that's it for now, guys. I want to thank all of you so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.